To make the most of your best egg monthly payment, it is essential to understand the key concepts and best practices involved. Best Egg is a personal loan provider that offers loans with fixed interest rates and fixed monthly payments. The goal is to pay off your loan efficiently and effectively, and this can be achieved by following a few simple steps. First, it is crucial to understand your loan terms, including the interest rate, loan amount, and repayment period. Knowing these details will help you plan your payments and make informed decisions about your loan. Next, consider setting up automatic payments to ensure that your monthly payments are made on time. This can be done by linking your bank account to your Best Egg account and authorizing automatic deductions. Automatic payments can help you avoid late fees and negative credit reporting. Another best practice is to pay more than the minimum payment each month. By doing so, you can pay off your loan faster and reduce the total interest paid over the life of the loan. Even an extra $10 or $20 per month can make a significant difference in the long run. It is also important to review your budget and prioritize your expenses. Make sure you have enough money set aside each month to cover your loan payment, as well as other essential expenses such as rent, utilities, and groceries. Additionally, consider making bi-weekly payments instead of monthly payments. This can help you pay off your loan faster and reduce the total interest paid. Since there are 52 weeks in a year, making bi-weekly payments means you will make 26 payments per year, which is equivalent to 13 monthly payments. Finally, keep track of your payments and monitor your progress. You can do this by logging into your Best Egg account and viewing your payment history and loan balance. This will help you stay on track and make adjustments as needed. By following these best practices, you can make the most of your Best Egg monthly payment and pay off your loan efficiently and effectively. Remember to always review your loan terms. Set up automatic payments. Pay more than the minimum payment. Review your budget. Consider bi-weekly payments. And keep track of your progress. By doing so, you can achieve financial stability and security.